Hey all, for lesson 4, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be diving into some graduation information. So we're going to talk about diploma options as well as some curriculum guidelines. So the first thing we're going to do is let's go ahead and take a look at this diploma options. All right, so I click on that link, we are brought to a page that says the standard diploma pathway class of 2027. So entered grade 9 through 2023-24. All right, so students must earn a total of 26 credits. So once you get to high school, that's when your credits really start to matter, ladies and gentlemen. You're going to need to take 4 credits of English, and all that means is you're going to have to go all 4 years of your high school. You're going to be taking English. You're going to take 4 English classes. The next one is going to be math. 4 credits of math, and again, that just means that you need to take 4 math classes. They do require that you all take Algebra 1 as well as Geometry, but you will be taking 4 math classes. Next is going to be your science. You need to take 4 science classes when you're in high school. 3 must have a lab component. They'll explain to you what a lab is in high school. And 2 must be equally rigorous. But you also must take biology. So the biggest thing to take away for science is you need to take 4 science classes. One needs to be biology. Next is going to be social studies. For social studies, you're only going to have to take 3 classes. So you're probably going to take your social studies, your freshman, your sophomore, and your junior year. Freshman is ninth grade, sophomore is 10th grade, and junior is 11th grade. Electives. So electives, all that is you get to choose what class you're going to take, and there's really no rhyme or reason. You have to take 8.5 credits. So 8 credits means you have to take 8 classes, and 1/2 credit means that you just need to take half a semester, or it just needs to be from either August to January or January to May. One must be a fine or performing arts or practical arts. Half a credit must be personal fitness. Half of a credit must be a PE elective. No online course requirements. All right, so next thing you're going to dive into is going to be state assessment requirements. Passing requirements, you do have to pass your algebra, 10th grade ELA fast. You need to pass that. And then let's see here, algebra 1, you've got to pass that. What else we got? Other diploma options. You can get a scholar diploma pathway. You can go a merit diploma pathway. You can go career and technology education pathway. And let's see here, what else we got? So diploma options for class of 2027. Feel free to read through this information at your leisure. Okay, so we got that. All right, so yeah, that's pretty much the takeaways I want you to have for this. Is just to know that you do have some different pathways for a diploma, but for each pathway, you do need to take core components, which is going to be your English, your math, your sciences, your social studies, and your electives, and then you've got flexibility after that. All right, the next one we're going to take a look at is going to be Bright Futures. Bright Futures are scholarships that the state offers. And so let's go ahead and take a look at what kind of information that you have for scholarships. All right, so Bright Futures, what that means is Florida Bright Futures Scholarship Program. So you've got a gold seal, which is a vocational or scholarship. And then you've got the requirements to meet for that. You've got to take an ACT and SAT or a PERT. All those are a standardized test. And standardized tests, it's like your fast test, except this is on a larger scale. So it's the ACT, your SAT, and your PERT. You've got some requirements that you have to meet in order to get the gold medal for the document. But just know that this is going to be your bright futures. There are scholarships available, and a scholarship, what that means is you just get free money for going to school. And that's your Bright Futures 1, and I believe there's a Bright Futures 2 and 3 as well. Let's see what other Bright Futures. This looks like the same thing. All right, so let's move on to the next item. All right, did you know there are many available options to earn college credit in high school? So you can earn some college credit in high school. And next thing we need to cover is going to be your curriculum guide. Step 1, go to high school website. Let's see here. All right, we're not going to worry about that. career planning, and that's going to be your Zello. We've already covered Zello. Skip, slip. All right, guys. So yeah, so that's pretty much what I need to cover with this video. So just watch the video. There is no writing component for this one. All right, hopefully you enjoyed.